This is the third video in a beginner series on how to work with Bitcoin Cash and tokens. So this third video is going to show how to restore a Bitcoin Cash wallet. In the first video I showed how to create a wallet, and I mentioned that if you have, say, the wallet on your phone and you drop your phone in the ocean, the only way to get your money back is to use the 12-word mnemonic. So it's 12 English words, and if you write those words down, you can recover your money. If you don't write them down, no one in the world can help you recover your money. And if anybody gets those words, they can take your money. So again, I have to stress how important the 12-word mnemonic is, keeping it safe. So I've been using this Alice and Bob analogy. So here we are looking at Alice's wallet that I created in the last video. It's got 10 cents of Bitcoin Cash and it's got 10 Trout tokens. It's in an incognito window. What happens if I accidentally close this window? Oops, it's gone. I can go back and I can open a new incognito window, and I can go back to wallet.fullstack.cache, but because it's an incognito window and the browser cache is cleared when I close it, it's not going to come back. So this is equivalent to essentially dropping your phone in the ocean, or having a car run over your computer. You need to have the 12 words written down, kept safe, preferably in a physical safe that you can go to get your money back. So here's Alice. She's shocked and horrified that she accidentally closed the browser window ahead of time, and she's wondering if she can get her tokens and her Bitcoin Cash back. Luckily, she wrote down the 12 words right here. These are the 12-word mnemonic. So instead of clicking on Create New Wallet, which we did, scroll down to the Import Wallet card, and then you can paste in those 12 words, click Import, and the wallet will be recreated with those 12 words. So here's all the information we had before. We can see the balance is restored with 10 cents of Bitcoin Cash. And if we click on the tokens tab, there's our 10 tokens. So the money's still safe. It's still on the net. It's not on the physical device. It's not really anywhere. It's on the network. And so those 12 words are your access to the money on the network. So another good way, or another good wallet to use, is Electron Cash SLP. So I also want to show how to I showed how to restore the wallet on wallet.fullstack.cache, but I want to also show how to restore it on Electron Cash SLP. So I had mentioned this mnemonic, and this is where this is going to come in, because you can't import your words into just any wallet. If a wallet uses the 145 mnemonic, when you import your words, your money won't be there because they exist on a different derivation path. Electron Cash SLP edition uses the same derivation path as wallet.fullstack.cache, so you can restore your wallet in that software as well. I'm not going to go into how to download and set up Electron Cash. That's outside the scope of this video, but if you maybe I'll document that in another video. But assuming you can get past that, I'm just going to show how you would restore a wallet. So here is the repository. It's on GitHub if you do want to get this software. It's on github.com/simpleledger, and in the Electron Cash SLP repository. Now there is a Electron Cash wallet, Bitcoin Cash wallet software that does not support tokens, and that will not work because they're on a different derivation path. So you want to make sure you're on the Electron Cash SLP edition. You can scroll down to the releases, click on the releases, and here you can download a version for your computer from the releases under assets. They have them for iOS, Windows, Linux. So let me see. I don't have mine open, so I'm going to open mine. Okay, so I've got a new wallet, an old wallet open. So what I'm going to do is create a new wallet in order to restore these 12 words, Alice's wallet that I had saved. I'm just going to create a temp test01. I'm just going to create a temporary wallet, and it calls out here this 245 derivation path, just like we use in wallet.fullstack.cache. We're going to create a standard wallet, and you're going to select I already have a seed. And then Alice can copy her 12 or type her 12 words in here that she hopefully wrote down and didn't just copy paste. And here's where you can adjust the derivation if you need to, but we don't need to. And I'm going to skip the password. That's for the extra paranoid. So it just created the wallet, it restored it. We can see here that our 10 cents is there, and if we click on the coins tab, we can see we have 2 UTXOs. One is the 10 cents in BCH, one is the 10 Trout tokens. And over on the tokens tab, you double click to add a token. And so right now it's looking up the token information. And this can be a little slow. But there we are. We got our Trout tokens. This balance should say 10. I'm not sure why it's not saying that. But it does see the coins. It does see that we've got 10 cents of Bitcoin Cash, and it does show that we have tokens. So if you need help with this, is just an example of a wallet that you can import your wallet into if you don't want to use wallet.fullstack.cache. Oh, there you go. It just needed a minute to update its balance. This is a very complex piece of software as opposed to wallet.fullstack.cache, which is designed for simplicity. Electron Cache is like the Swiss Army knife of wallets. It can do just about anything that is possible to do with a wallet. If you run into trouble, the place to go for help is the Simple Ledger Telegram channel. So that is at t.me/simpleledger, and this is where discussions around Electron Cache happens. So this has been a video on how to restore your Bitcoin Cash and token wallet using your 12-word mnemonic, using both either wallet.fullstack.cache or Electron Cache SLP.